iPhone's Image Playground, the AI image generation tool, just got a lot better in iOS 26 with ChatGPT built in. So let's make some AI images on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any iPhone running the latest iOS. To create AI images, first you'll need to open Settings, go to Apple Intelligence and Siri, and make sure Apple Intelligence is enabled. Now let's open Image Playground. If you don't find it on the home screen, just search for it, and here you'll have Playground. Let's open it up. So tap on New Image, and you may need to go through all these prompts. Now let's go to the main thing. If we tap on Style, you can see now we also have an option to select ChatGPT. So let's select it, and then it will ask you whether you want to use ChatGPT or not. So go through the prompts and select Enable ChatGPT. You can also log in with your ChatGPT account if you have subscription. And then at the bottom, you'll notice you have 6 more styles that's only available when you select ChatGPT. Let's go with oil painting. And I can simply click here and start typing whatever you want to generate. When you're done, it will be added to the sort of thinking cloud. Then you can go ahead and also add some more prompts from the bottom. There's quite a few. I'll add mountains and forest. You can see it will be added at the top. You can keep adding more prompts if you wish. Then you will just need to wait until it finishes creating the image. You can check the progress by looking at the glowing outline of the circle. So wait until the circle is complete and you'll be presented with the AI image. And as expected, ChatGPT is way better at creating images than Apple AI. So when you're done, you can also go ahead and tap on this person icon to choose an appearance, or you can click on this gallery icon and either take a photo or choose a photo from your gallery. I'll go ahead and add a portrait of a person. So when I do that, it will ask you whether you want to send the file to ChatGPT. You need to accept it, only then ChatGPT will be able to show an answer. But unfortunately, it looks like it didn't work for us. Maybe because we have put too many prompts. You can also cancel them by tapping on the minus button, and I'll just keep the plain photo. Now just select any of these styles from ChatGPT to get super realistic photos. Or you can also go with Apple Intelligence styles. And similarly, when you're done, you can change up the styles as much as you want. Then you can either tap on Save from here, or tap on the photo to expand it, tap on Share, and choose Save to Phone. So that's how you can create AI images on your iPhone. Hope you found this useful. Enjoy!